So this year I became a millionaire, and at the same time I've spent 80% of that in 2025. At least according to Capitec, because I opened my app today to pay some bills in South Africa and get this notification. International payment limit. You've used at least 80% of your 1 million rand annual limit for personal international transactions. Excuse me? What? Ooh, since when? Because my balance doesn't corroborate this story, dude. Like, if you're gonna make a mistake like this, at least put the balance into my account. Yeah, please take care not to exceed the limit. Brother, if you're gonna talk limits to me, just make sure that you can pass a breathalyzer, bro. Because if you're sending shit like this to me, then surely you must be gesuip, dude. I just want my million rand, bro. Excuse me, I'm gonna reply to this. Capitec, send my money, because I didn't spend 80% of it.